Okay, so today what I'd like you to do is learn how to actually import things from the keyboard. So now we could type into the program. So going back to our first programs, let's make a new class, new Java class, and let's call this keyboard program 1. Finish. Okay. As normal, put the main method in, public static void main string args. So there's the main method. What we're going to use is some of the built-in features that Java has made for us. And most of this shouldn't make sense yet. And again, as I've said often, as the year goes along, I'll explain a lot more of what these mean. I'll explain a little bit now. So what you type is capital S, scanner, and then keyboard equals new scanner system in. Remember, everything here is case sensitive. That's part of the syntax of Java, so you just need to pay attention to that. Scanner, now you notice there's a red line under scanner. If you hover over it, you'll get some choices in here. And the top one is import Java. This is a class that Java's made for you. And when you click on this, you'll see up at the top it says import Java scanner. Now, keyboard is a variable we are creating, you are going to create. So, actually, instead of typing keyboard, just show you its variable, I usually just say KB for keyboard, so I don't have to type the whole word keyboard out. Now, scanner is this class. We can now start typing in things from the keyboard into our programs. So we'll write a little message to ourselves, system.out.println, and I will say, please enter in your name. Now this will print up on the screen, and I will just show you it run real quick. And now it runs like that, and nothing happens after this. Now last week I would have said make a variable called string, call it name, and then put your name in there, Mike. And then have the program system.out.println say name plus welcome to the class. And all it will print out now is Mike, welcome to the class. And we run it over here. Now the hard part with this is, whether you've thought about this or not, this requires changing code every time. Most of the time, all the applications you've used, you don't actually go into the code. You actually type or you click on some application and you move around. I want it now so that this name right here, line 9, actually changes. It could be any different name. So anybody could come in here, type their name, and line 10 will print out and it will allow them to enter in a different name. And this is how you do it. Remember on line 7 up here where we put KB for keyboard? Well, down here we use the variable KB keyboard dot, and now there's a whole bunch of options we have here, because part of the scanner class that Java made, they've built all these things in. You could type strings in, integers, doubles, booleans, chars. So what I'll do is kb.next. Now this will allow one string to be put in, not a whole sentence, one word, one name. So just to show you this work, you'd run this, enter in your name, and if I put William, welcome to the class. If I run it again, enter your name, I will put Heath, welcome to the class. So now we can start typing and putting in more features into the program so that we could start making the program start thinking and doing things that we want it to do. So, now that you've watched this, I'd like you to copy this and put it into one of your programs.